I'm extremely honored to have been chosen to represent my nation, Fiji, in the Queen of International Tourism Beauty Pageant. It's something that I never expected, but by God's grace, I'm here. I was being approached by my national director, Mr. Tito Stowers, since he saw my post on Jack's Little India's page. I have been the clothing model for Jack's of Fiji, so that's how he contacted me. And then he tried to know about me. At first, I thought it was a scam. And I did not communicate much to him. And then I let my family deal with it. And then later, I got to know that this was legit. And then I literally went and found out a lot about it. It begins from myself, as I have a huge compassion for my country, Fiji. I believe that if I could make a difference, I will definitely do that. And I aim to make my people proud, my country proud, my family proud. And I will make sure that I would help my youths to work towards focusing on their ambitions, their goals, their dreams. And this can be done through the social media platforms, since I'm very keen towards public speaking. I love talking and I love motivating people. That's all I aim, that I make Fiji a better place and I can encourage and motivate the youths around. For the pageant, the tradition and culture, the values, the virtues, and the norms of Fiji, which many people around are not aware of. And I'm so proud that I will get that opportunity to speak about my country to the rest of the world and put my country onto the global platform. At this stage, there's a lot of things going on. So main encouragement for me is my parents. I'm really happy that throughout my journey, my parents, my mom and dad, Mr. Ashlin Prasad and Mrs. Irene Lata, they have been really helpful and supportive in everything that I have been doing right now. And not forgetting my teachers of Swami Vivekananda College, Madam Geeta Krishna, she's my vice principal. So she's been really supportive in everything that I do. And my mentor, Mr. Lalen Sharma, he guides me and motivates me. And it's not easy. Being part of this pageant, it's not easy because 50 other countries are also taking part in it. For me, it's not about winning. It was never about winning. It's all about putting the tradition and culture of Fiji on an international platform. Firstly, I began with the Jacks of Fiji as a clothing model. And also, I am studying right now in Sydney. I took multiple courses for public speaking. And also, I'm really keen towards studying psychology. And right now, I'm really investing my time towards public speaking and my education as well. That's done in Sydney. I aim to achieve a lot. Thank you for asking me this question. Actually, I aim to become one of the most successful entrepreneurs in my country and all over the globe. It will take time, maybe a couple of years. It's okay. But I aim to become the most successful entrepreneur. And also, I would like to encourage and motivate my people with the skills and talent that I have, that's given by God. Public speaking, I can communicate and encourage my youth. So that's pretty much, so I'm so happy for it. And I will work towards achieving all those goals and ambitions with time. My message to all the people out there in Fiji, please stop abusing yourself. Stop doing something that will harm you. Stop affecting yourself just because of the term that we have always heard is peer pressure. Especially this message is for my youths out there. I've heard many youths saying the same thing to me, that we are going through peer pressure and we have so many things going up. It's true that we teenagers, we go through a lot. It's really true. But at the same time, we have to recognize and remember that we have to make the wise decision We have to make the best decisions for ourselves. And to the youths who think life is tough, life is difficult, and we need to involve ourselves in things like drugs, alcohol, and um, many other things, which is right now a current topic to discuss on. Please just forget about all those and work towards becoming the greatest version of yourself. If I can do it, I assure that you can also do it. Please go and talk to people. Go and ask for help. Seek for help from people. Seek assistance from people. And then, if you're still not able to fix things up in your life, please talk to your school counselors, students especially. Please, there are counselors in schools. Communicate with them. And people can always contact me or send me message on my Facebook profile, Ashlin Prasad, and also on my Instagram. They can DM me always, and I'm always here to help you out. Since I have been taking courses for public speaking and motivating and encouraging my youth, so please do not hesitate to contact me. And if there is any way possible, I will definitely help you out through everything that I can. And my message to all of you is that please focus on yourself. Focus on your goals, your ambitions. People will come, people will go. People will try to make you fail in life. Mostly what happens is that nobody is happy of what you're doing in your life. And that's true that we can never satisfy everyone around us. It's very true. Just taking from my experience, when I started modeling, people weren't happy. My families weren't happy. And yet I chose to do what I wanted to do just because I had the support of my parents. So these were my little ambitions, my little goals that I have always fulfilled. And yes, many people, they get discouraged after a small failure in life. And that's the main reason as to why our youths are getting involved into drugs, alcohol. Failure is part of life, but what you do after failing, that what's going to make a difference. That's what going to make an impact in your life. So please work towards becoming the greatest version of yourself. And these three words I always take with myself since childhood until now: patience, persistence, and perspiration. These three words, it may not be so big to you right now, but in life, when you start making progress, when you start failing in life, when you reach to a certain point, you don't have anything, you will realize that these three words will literally make an impact in your life. So please do not make any wrong decisions. Do not make any hasty decisions. Make a wise decision and work towards doing something better in your life. Make your families proud. Make your friends proud. Make your nation proud.